Hello guys, this is a quick tutorial how to install a Tesla style screen on 2010 Buick Lacrosse, and it will be applicable to most of the Buick cars from those years starting from 2010 to 2014 or 15 or other similar GM cars. So this is a screen. I bought it from AliExpress, starts from $250, goes all the way to $600-700 depending what you need. Some comes with the CarPlay and Android Auto, some just don't. Like this one, these just only support the screen mirror, so you can mirror whatever you have on your phone to the screen. Or later on, if you want, if you use Android Auto, there are adapters around $40-50 you can add, and this screen will become your Android Auto unit, and or similarly for CarPlay. So this one was 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. It was around $350. It does come with a backup camera, but if your car already equipped with a backup camera, you can just plug, and you don't have to do any wiring and stuff. But if your car doesn't come with a backup camera, you can just install the one you receive in this kit. So yeah, we will go ahead and install this Tesla style screen in this 2010 Buick Lacrosse. So grab some plastic removal trim removal tools. Don't use flathead screwdrivers, that might leave some marks or scratches on these plastic trims. So remove all the locks from this uh, wooden style trim. So what I was doing is I was trying to remove the head unit first. So there's easy way of removing the head unit. So once you remove all the locks from this small wooden style trim, what you do is you just remove slide out this trim, like grab it from here and then slide it out, and that way your head unit is free to be removed. There are a few locks at the top, you just remove those locks. Then there are two connectors, don't yank it hard, there are two connectors at the back, so you remove those two connectors. This one is for the screen, and there's one more at the bottom for the AC controls. Just remove this one, and head unit is free to be removed. So now the new head unit doesn't come with the AC vents, so you will transfer these AC vents. There are a few 2-3 screws, and there are a few just locks and this clip that you will transfer here. So there are a few locks and clips on the new head unit as well. So you will transfer all the clips from the old head unit to the new one. Now we will remove this part of the head unit. There are 4 screws. You just unscrew and remove it. There are 2 wiring harness you have to remove. This is the radio antenna. So this is the main harness for the new Android head unit, and this part will connect here, and this will connect to the back side of this Android head unit, and this will connect at the bottom where the AC controls are. So this is here we connect to the new head unit, and this part will connect to the factory harness. This also connect to the factory harness. This will connect to the AC controls, and this part of this harness will connect here. I think it's a 6-pin connector. And these two are the USB extensions. So if you want to use the USB drives, so you can You can, if you want to use, you can connect, otherwise you can ignore this part. This is the video inputs where you will plug the camera, and this is the radio antenna adapter. This will connect to the factory harness, and this is the chime speaker, and this will connect to this green wire from the main harness. So this will be your microphone and all the warning you hear from the car. So this will we will connect to the main factory harness. And this black connector will go to this white connector. This one I didn't find anything. I think we just don't use this part, so we just ignore this connector. And this is the radio antenna. So yeah, most of our wiring is done. We didn't do the camera, so if you already have a camera, you should have a connector. You just connect it there, otherwise yeah, it's ready to use. And yeah, it's a beautiful screen, resolution is good, and the sound was also good. And then you just put it back the way you just took it out. And don't forget to transfer these clips to the new head unit. There are two screws holding these clips, and these will lock this new head unit in the dash. If your AC doesn't work, so there are some settings you have to change depending on the car. You have to go to the vehicle setting on this new head unit and just CAN box settings, and then you have to change the options. For my car it was old gentleman is higher width, so that's what the vendor said when I got back to them. So change it accordingly, so if your AC doesn't work. So that was it, guys. I would say it was a really good upgrade to this old car. So you get all the new tech, Android Auto, CarPlay, Google Maps, and even if you want to download some application, Netflix, Amazon Prime, or you can even save videos to USB drive and watch it when you're sitting somewhere. And yeah, I would really say it was a relatively easy upgrade. So it did take around maybe 30 to 45 minutes. So yeah, there wasn't much screws. I would say I would 6 7 8 screws, that's it. Otherwise just the locks, you just pop up the locks and pop back in. So that was it. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you.